Hello everyone, welcome back to Hong Kong with Sam. And this is a very traditional highlight of the Chinese New Year celebrations in Hong Kong. हम सारे लोग सदमे में थे कि because of COVID this year they can suspend it. They actually had suspended, but on huge popular demand they allowed this flower market with the strict COVID guidelines and dividing this in 3-4 zones. As you can see, so few people here this time. Otherwise, until last year, you will struggle to walk in this space. You will really struggle. You will be bumping into people, walking shoulder to shoulder. But still, thankfully, from nothing to this is like really lovely. And they have, I showed you that place, the red one, that is like temperature zone where they take your infrared temperature, and if you have even slightest of high temperature fever, they won't let you in. So yeah, the flower market and the lantern celebrations take place in Victoria Park, right in the heart of city in Hong Kong Island. The area is called Causeway Bay. And as you can see, the riot of purple of 100 shades. Purple everywhere. Purple, oh, that's so lovely. And these flowers should be bought, means as per the tradition, right before the New Year, when Chinese New Year starts. This year it will be on. These are very traditional ones. I don't know what exactly, but many people buy them, and they are considered to be very auspicious, very auspicious. Chinese New Year has many traditions to follow, means very strict do's and do nots. And before that, आपको ये बता दूं कि ये अभी माइनर न्यू ईयर का, चाइनीज न्यू ईयर के दो हिस्से होते हैं. एक प्रॉपर विच विल स्टार्ट एट 12 February, बट माइनर चाइनीज न्यू ईयर इज ऑलरेडी इन फुल स्विंग. आई थिंक चाइनीज ल्यूनर ईयर के दिस महीने के वो 8वें दिन होता है या 12वें, आई फॉरगॉट, आई एम सॉरी. बट नाउ अगेन सी हाउ दिस येलो इज ग्लोइंग इन the middle of white is purple, pink is purple, purple, I don't know what purple. Whew. And this is a very different color. Lovely flowers out here, lovely atmosphere out here. Go with if you want to see some positive. Because of the pandemic this year, the crowds are not that huge, so you can walk and take pictures and talk. Until last year this was not possible, and no one had ever thought perhaps that this would be possible. So from these different shades of orchids, so many shades of orchids, I also saw some roses out there still in the process of bloom. We come to the king of Chinese New Year celebrations. These bonsai mandarins you can call them, tangerines you can call them, ऑरेंजेज यू कैन कॉल देम. कभी मुझे पता नहीं चला कि एक्चुअली उन्हें क्या कहते हैं, बट इन्हें अपने घर में रखना बहुत सौभाग्य का प्रतीक माना जाता है. दे आर द वंस विच आर लाइक मेन पार्ट ऑफ सेलिब्रेशंस एंड विच ब्रिंग गुड लक टू योर होम. द अदर मेजर फ्लावर इज दिस, स्टिल इन द फेज ऑफ ब्लॉसमिंग, नॉट येट quite there. So, और ये इसलिए हैं ऐसे, मतलब दिस इज डिलीवरेट, कि जब आप उनको ले जाएं 12 फरवरी में, अभी भी एक हफ्ता, मतलब ओके 6 days. So once you take them home, they blossom suddenly. And now you come to different kind of flowers. Christmas, marigold, a Chinese variant though. I am not really that good with the name of flowers, but you can see. And the this bigness, so interesting, lovely out here. Crowds, Sri Budhar Hall. right in the middle of city, such a big hall, unlike Pragati Maidan and all that. You cannot really compare because it is right in the middle of the city and skyscrapers. So yeah, like the time, it is now, sun has set and we are in what is called golden hours in photographers language. So the scene too is changing here. 1 second, sorry. And things are getting interesting. Now you have something here which and I just could not withhold myself from showing you this. See, because of the COVID pandemic, they are now sanitizing everything, including the railings, like whatever people could have touched. That is basically how you fight pandemics. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. What a feeling. See, very diligently. So we are coming to the end of flower market. Way too small in every single way than it used to be. In earlier years, you will see lanterns and lanterns and lanterns everywhere. But this year, of course, not many. People shopping flowers, pots, plants. These are the dyed ones. No, the Indian name of variety of Guldaudi, but what exactly, no idea, but they are dyed. Brisk business here, and पिछले साल की तुलना में बेशक कुछ भी नहीं, पर ये माँ बेटी प्यार से माँ जो है वो बेटी का बाल संवारते हुए खूबसूरत दृश्य। फ्रेंड्स, मैं जब शुरू में आया था हांगकांग में पहली बार 2007 में, तो सेम सेक्स कपल्स बहुत कम दिखते थे. आई डोंट नो वेदर दे आर अ कपल और नॉट, बट नाउ इट हैज़ बिकम much more common, and that's exactly welcome. In fact, I am not commenting on them. They may be, they may not be, I have no idea. But even if they are, means like from then when I was flirting with the city, never thought of settling down here. Then it was very uncommon. So that gives you a round trip of the flowers market, the New Year flowers market in Victoria Park, Causeway, Hong Kong. Very desolate, very like not even a pale shadow of itself, but then the show must go on. We are all happy that the show is going on. So I will keep coming back to this place till 12th of February, till it operates, and give you more glimpses if I find something interesting. चैनल को लाइक ज़रूर करें अगर ये वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हो, सब्सक्राइब भी करें, अपने मित्रों से साझा भी करें. सी यू ऑल अगेन, बाय बाय.